Hello, guys. My name is Naomi, and I'm planning to build my first PC. This is part one, the case. Okay. So, hi, guys. Welcome to my channel. I don't post a lot here, but yeah, I thought this would be a good opportunity to make content and just my progress of how I get to build my first PC in 2023, hopefully 2023, 2024. So, I'm going to just document the whole experience, tell you guys where I got my parts, how much I got them for, and just alternatives. I am no PC professional. I feel like I do not have the slightest knowledge on anything PC related, but I'm just going to share what I know and what I've been told, or at least they will inform you to either decide if console gaming is for you or PC gaming is for you. I was able to grab myself a case, and why did I do that is because um, this is going to, long story short, building a PC is expensive, hella expensive, and especially since the dollar rate is so high, importing is expensive. Everything's expensive. So, from the information that I've gotten, how do I explain this? How do I explain this? The information I've gotten, um, especially if you're building a PC slowly, especially if it's gonna take something like a year, parts do change. Better parts might come out, and some prices might drop. So I decided to get the case first because a case is a case. It doesn't really change. Specs don't really change. So it's a good beginning. Plus, I didn't want this one specifically to go out of stock because importing a case is expensive because of the weight. So I made that choice to just get this locally. And yeah, because I wanted a white one, a white case. I'm planning to get an all white build, hopefully. And yeah, that was the only white case I could see locally in Kenya. So I made that choice to just buy this here because I didn't want to import it. Importing a case can be a bit expensive, considering it's one of the more heavier parts of the build. If you've never imported something from abroad, there's air shipping and there's sea shipping. So there are a few options if you do decide to buy your case locally. It's just you to do your research. If you do just like go online, search PC cases in Kenya, a few will pop up on Gigi. That's an option. There are places like Shuffle PCs. That's where I got mine, and I have gotten some recommendations from people online, Instagram companies, and also Gigi. If you trust Gigi like that, I saw some few cases there for around like 12,000, and also I saw some Kenyan YouTubers who also build PCs, explaining that they got their cases from Gigi, and I also got them around that price. This one was suggested to me by a friend. His name is Fazar. He's a gamer streamer over on YouTube. This is his channel. Feel free to go check him out. And if you do have any PC, I guess questions, you could give him a DM. Yeah. So this case, I got it for 33,500 Kenyan shillings. Yeah. Um, I was very picky about the case that I would choose because I might as well just buy something that I would like long term than go cheap and then regret it and be like, oh, I just wished I just chilled a bit and then got like an extra 10k or like 15k from somewhere, and then I just bought something that you want. Because I know now, I'm not planning to change this case anytime in the future. So yeah, and I'm going to have like a short speed lapse of me unboxing it at the end of this video so that yeah, I can just check if everything is fine because I haven't unboxed it since I got it, and then keep it in storage until I get the rest of the parts. So yeah, the next thing, I guess I can just explain the next things that I'm planning to get. I'm planning to probably buy the motherboard and the CPU, because the ones that I've picked I'm comfortable with, and I'm not conflicted about it. So probably those ones. The last thing I'll probably get is the GPU, because it's just crazy. GPUs and the prices are just crazy, and just for someone who literally didn't know about anything about computers still, like, okay, like deep specifications still like a few weeks ago, GPUs are just something that I still haven't really decided on, because the price to performance is just crazy. I did want an all white build, so the GPU that I had in mind was the Gigabyte RTX 3060 Ti, which is currently now going for $55. That's almost 80K. And a useful tip is use a website. There are websites available that can help you build your PC. The one I used is PC Part Picker. The name is right here. It does help you know like the parts you need to build a PC, and also the prices, and also compatibility. So if you're a first time builder and you don't know much about computers, use a website like that to just let you know, okay, I need to get a motherboard, CPU, GPU, RAM, SSD, power source, cooler. Is there anything else I forgot? RAM, yeah, case, fans. So yeah, it has all those lists for you, and you just pick the pieces you want, and it tells you, okay, this is not compatible with this, choose another one. And it also lets you know the prices of the pieces the parts you're picking, so you can have a brief total of how much everything's gonna cost, and you can keep on just switching if you feel like, oh, you read a bit more about this part, so you want to switch. So it just helps keep everything organized, and gives you a brief summary of the prices of everything. I hope this information was somewhat informative and educational to some extent, and I will see you in the next one. I want this as a learning experience for also myself. So if you guys do have recommendations or want to share any knowledge that you have, I would really appreciate it. And yeah, just want to make this a space that everyone can learn, because I do know that people out there, um, more even females, want to get into gaming and they just don't know how to. So hopefully this is just that first step I can make to just sharing information and also learning experience.